country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive.
A border security officer was killed at the Pakistani range resorted to unprovoked police violation along the international border at Samba in Jammu Kashmir. The parent company of Indigo, Interglobe Enterprise, an American aircraft manufacturer, Arcor Aviation.
First, in the Champions League, Barcelona got shocked by Shakhtar Donetsk in a 1-0 defeat away to the Ukrainians. 2. Shubman Gill became the #1 ranked batter in the ODI rankings on Wednesday. Mohammad Siraj became the #1 ranked bowler in ODI rankings on Wednesday as well. Real Madrid beat SC Braga 3-0 at home in the UCL. Goals.
Weather updates are the maximum temperature will be 21 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 19 degrees Celsius. Wind speed will be 3 km per hour and precipitation will be 10%.
Today's thought is choosing not to burn crackers on Diwali can be thoughtful decision for a quieter, more and eco-friendly celebration. I repeat my thought. Choosing not to burn crackers on Diwali can be thoughtful decision for a quieter and more eco-friendly celebration. Thank you. Today's thought is choosing not to burn crackers on Diwali can be thoughtful decision for a quieter, more and eco-friendly celebration. I repeat my thought. Choosing not to burn crackers on Diwali.
Everyone, today's word of the day is fulminate, meaning to oppose something. Synonym, rave and rant. Sentence, this is always a fulmination when it comes to new rules. Thank you everyone. Everyone, today's word of the day is fulminate, meaning to oppose something. Synonym, rave and rant. Sentence, this is always a fulmination when it comes to new rules.
Diwali is a time of joy and celebration. But the use of firecrackers has led to environmental and health problems. As responsible citizens, we must celebrate this festival in a way that doesn't harm our surroundings. A Nukkad Natak on the importance of celebrating Diwali without using crackers can be a powerful way to spread awareness.
हमने है खींचा और उस धुएं को हमने है सींचा।
धुएं से हो रहा है प्रदूषण,
पर्यावरण का हो रहा है शोषण। टीबी, अस्थमा और कैंसर से बीमारी को ना देना होता।
आतिशबाजी से बचकर रहें।
बच के रहना रे बाबा, बच के रहना रे, बच के रहना रे बाबा, बच के रहना रे। आइए कुछ मित्रों से मिलते हैं।
With my friend Shashwat to present a speech on finding your inner light. Today, I want to delve into a profound journey that each one of us embarks upon, the journey of finding our why. In the hustle and bustle of life, often get entangled in the what and how of our existence, but the true essence lies in understanding the why. Imagine life as a vast canvas and your why as the
month is to finding your own light. To do that, we will start with reflecting our values that truly matter to us. The principles that shape your worldview identify moments in your life when you felt the most fulfilled, alive, and aligned with your true self. These instances often hold clues to the deeper purpose. Let's explore.
I am honored to address you as your literary captain and head boy with Diwali just around the corner. I'd like to take a moment to talk about the importance of celebrating a cracker-free Diwali.
Diwali is a festival that brings joy, light and togetherness. It is a time when we come together to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. However, in recent years, the way we celebrate Diwali has come under the scrutiny due to the environmental impact of bursting firecrackers.
As a responsible individual and member of a large community, it is crucial for us to consider the consequences of our actions. The air and noise pollution caused by the firecrackers have a detrimental effect in our environment, our health and the well-being.
This Diwali, I urge each one of you to join hands in making conscious choice for cracker-free celebration of Diwali. Let us embrace the true spirit of Diwali by spreading light, happiness and I will use more diyas and rangolis that are more colorful than the momentary burst of light in the sky. I pledge not to make this Diwali lung disease and skin burns, but having a wonderful time with family and friends. Thank you.
Ending this function. So we are not calling you purposely because we don't want you to be distracted from academics and you're able to have good duration of periods so that you do not have any doubts and you'll be more confident and competent to secure marks. And I think everybody has enjoyed as much as I have.
According to me, Diwali should be cracker-free. We should not use cracker. Instead of that, we should have a colorful Diwali with the help of Rangoli. And we should spend our time with our family and our friends rather than bursting crackers. It's better to be more good towards nature. And according to